Hey there, my friends. I just bought this folding laundry drying rack, and it came in this box, and I was shocked at how small the box is for the actual size of the folding rack. So I thought I would just do a quick video showing you how it comes and how to put it together so that you know what kind of work is going to be involved when you get this drying rack. I also want to demonstrate at the end of the video how actually sturdy and usable this thing is. So let's get to work. So essentially there's two different pieces. You have the accordion pieces right here. These are the sides of the rack. Obviously it folds out just like that. And then you have the insert bars right here that are actually extendable, just like that. Now on the sides of the rack, we do have this top rung right here that does click into the accordion rack. That's what's gonna give you your sturdiness right here. And each one of these interior rungs are going to pop down into these brackets just like that. And they extend out so that the rack has a good amount of distance here. So once I have the first rung in here, the two sides just kind of stand on their own, and now I can start placing all of these rungs in. They're super easy to slide in just like that. All right, just like that, in a matter of probably about 3 minutes, I was able to get all the rungs in. Super easy, held itself up after I got that first rung in. Now let me grab something heavy to put on it so we can see if it's actually sturdy. Just preliminary, I just want to show you there is a little bit of wiggle, but I've never used one of these that didn't have a little side-to-side wiggle. What's most important is, are the rungs going to be strong enough to hold like a wet blanket or something like that? Also, how easy is it to fold up and fold back out? And is it going to last a long time being put away and, you know, being folded up and put out, folded up and put out? So let's grab something heavy to throw on this thing. All right, so here I've got a nice big heavy blanket. I'm just gonna throw it on one of these rungs right here. This isn't gonna be any kind of challenge at all for this rack. It could take way more weight than that. Now, in order to fold this thing up, all I have to do is just pop those two brackets up off the top right there, and then the whole thing will fold down just like that. And you have this just like this. You can also now push it in just like that, and it's this size. If you don't want to take the rungs off every single time, this is your storage size, which is super small and compact for drying racks that I've used in the past. But if you wanted to take the time to take each rung off, obviously it would collapse even further, but you'd want to have a bag or something that you could keep all of them in. The nice thing is you could travel with this if you needed to or wanted to. I also want to point out that it does have some plastic feet on the bottom here that both go with the angle of the rack, which is nice. It's also going to protect any surfaces that you have it on, like if you did have it on a hardwood floor or something like that. I have it on a wood table right now. It's not gonna scratch it or damage that surface at all, so it's gonna protect that as well. So lots of cool features. This is a really nice portable, foldable, whatever you wanna call it, rack. It's gonna be extremely convenient to have around our house. We have a smaller home, and to be able to store this away in such a small, compact area is gonna be really, really nice. So I hope this video has been helpful in deciding whether or not this is the right drying rack for you. Thank you so much for watching. Peace, everybody.